Hello, good morning to you guys. They just delivered this today by the owner. Something wrong on this machine. This is one of the best machine that they make. White, white sewing machine. Okay, and the other one is the Kenmore. Okay, old sewing machine like Kenmore in this one is better than all new model right now. Those new model, look at those. Those are all plastic, and this is the what they look like inside the machine. Okay, that one. That is this one is Kenmore, and the other one is Kenmore, and this is white. So it's really big difference. All this machine is too heavy, and this one is heavy. This one is made in Japan made. And this one, I think this is Germany. Oh, made in Canada. And patented by Canada, manufactured by Cleveland, Ohio, US. US is United States of America. Yeah, patented by Canada. Okay, so I'm going to open up this machine and let's see what's wrong with it. Okay, thank you. That one, the Kenmore is done. And then this white, I just get it today, this morning. And there's another one coming. So, okay guys, follow me. Follow my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on my reels. Thank you. Bye-bye.